So over here in Microsoft Planner, what you can also do is go ahead and add in notes to tasks. So to do that, if I were to go around over here onto a particular task right here, then you can see that I have a place to add in note right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, make sure to use royalty free graphics for this let's say, for example, animation right here, just like this. So this is what you can actually do right here, just like this, and close it, and that particular note will be added on to that particular card. But if I were to go ahead and click, you can see that I can see it right here. But if you want to see it right over here, you want to see the note right here, then you can click on show on card and you will be able to see it right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here onto grid right here, then you don't actually see the note, but you do actually see the note right here under the quick look section, as you can see, just like this. You can go ahead and click and then see that it has the note. And that is how you can go ahead and add notes to tasks inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.